Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to solve the first part of a Rubik's Cube. So you want to start by finding the middle yellow square and putting all the white edge pieces around it. So it looks like that. Next, you want to match up the edge pieces on the side with their middle pieces, just like that. And then you flip it all the way over to match the white. And you want to do that with every single edge piece that has a white. You just keep doing it until it makes a white cross. Next, you want to match up these corner pieces right there all the way up here, but you want to do them right. So the way you do that is find a corner piece like this, match up the other side of that corner piece with a middle piece, so the same color, and then hold it with that white corner piece facing you and move the bottom to the right, move this part down, and then move the bottom over to the left and move back up. So you just made the corner piece right there. And you do that with all the white corner pieces and just match them up and do the same thing until you have a full white square on top. Just like that. And you want each piece on the side to look just like that. And that is the first step of solving a Rubik's Cube.